Good morning, friend. So, today I am here to present on a topic of migrant worker crisis in India during lockdown. So, we will going to discuss. I hope I have posted this picture. So, I hope you will going to remember this picture because this picture already says more than 1,000 word. Is what are the crises they are facing. And this person is Ram Pukar Pandit, 38-year-old. He was living in already uh, Delhi and native of Nevada, Bihar. So he worked already 7,000 to 8,000 in a month. And while he actually going home, he was already morally down at flyover. So one person has taken the picture already that is here and widely circulated on social media. So today I am going to discuss, about the what is the lockdown. So this is already we can discuss already how the on 24th March nationwide lockdown declared by the Narendra Modi. And the just within the 4 hour they made decision and the lockdown was declared nationwide. So people already were the nowhere no people were aware what will be they will going to do next. So there was no any arrangement, there was no any plan without making any transportation facility, everything was shut down. And that lead that the one of the biggest migrant labor crisis since the independence. So as we know that migrant workers are the backbone of our country, and they support many state economies. So they work as a laborer, they work as a carpenter, plumber, construction worker, peon, cleanings, everything will be handled by the migrant workers in the different state. So census 2011, the already in 2011 what they declare, there was already 1.21 billion population in India, in which 454 million means 37% of the population are internal migrant. So you just imagine 37% of population are not residing in their state but they are working in different states. So this picture already you can see that already the visible the people, all these migrants workers, they gather at the railway station and the bus stand, you know only what to just go to their hometown. But the government has requested all the house owner, even the factories owner or the industries owner and their employer, do not cut the salary and do not take rent. But why the people are out from their home? Why they are going back to their hometown? Why they are taking a risk? Who will take the account? Who will take the accountability? And who will be responsibility for them? So before going to discuss why they are going home, I will tell you that most of the migrant worker are the daily wages worker. They earn they work on the daily basis, and they earn on the daily basis and they survive on the daily basis itself. Hardly any few workers are getting their working on the monthly basis. Even after working on the monthly basis they are not getting proper salary. The minimum wages act will not going to applicable for them. You can see that the migrant workers, most of the they save their most of the income, they share their income and they send their income 80 to 90% income to their hometown to 1080 places. And the people already survive with the few amenities. And since 1947 independence, migrants workers are only what they are demanding, the roti, kapda and makan. They are nothing demanding the fundamental rights or the labor act or the minimum wages act, the factories act, industrial dispute act, compensation act. There are large number of act already is in India, but these are only mere words on the page for them. There are so many violation of fundamental rights to the migrant worker. They are not getting proper salary, they are not getting proper job, they are not any welfare benefit, they are nothing they are getting, but against they are not having any complaint to the government. Even most of this 37% they are not having availing the right to vote. There is no guarantee of minimum wages act. So there is, after the lockdown, we have seen there is non cooperation between the center and the state about the transportation of migrant worker. The crisis became already because the train and the bus service completely shut down. But few already state they want to rescue their people, like the different states they came already forward to rescue their people from the different state. But what was the problem itself? The state were not cooperating with the different state. Again there is politics between the different political parties were playing game on behalf of these migrant workers, and so that's why it relates again the crisis related to transportation. The several people were dying just because of hunger. You can see that most of the people, even they were stuck at the border, they were not allowed to move. So that's why they left, the government has left no any option just to walk on the road. So they see that already thousands of people already they walking on the road with their all accessories and their everything, and they were no having anything, the food, transportation, the water, sanitation, there nothing services is on the road. There are several already, the people already came forward, they supply food and water, but again the people, so many people have died also. So you can see that the Odisha man has tried to cycle 740 kilometers from the Chennai to Chennai, found dead on the road itself. The people already without sleeper, they were already, the one girl already, this girl Jyoti became famous for what? Because she took her father or ill father and she cycled around 200 kilometers from Gurugram, Delhi to Bihar. And she reached before the train, because most of the train were running 12 hour, 14 hour or more than 2 days, 3 days from the one journey from the Delhi to Bihar, it taking more than 6 to 7 days. So that's why, and most of the train, 80% of train already they lost their route. So that's why she girl became famous, because she already cycled and she reached before the train. So let's come to the former ministry role, like bringing the and sending Indian foreign countries, ignoring the local migrant. So if we're going to see the last, there are World Bank has mentioned in the report in the 2018, last year $80 billion earned by the Indian, the largest in the world. The largest we are received the foreign amount in the world. And so that's why there are so many. In the first phase 15,000 people rescue, in the second phase 25,000 people rescue, in the 30 April the 60,000 foreigners sent by the like Indian government. But why the people already migrant worker they are facing? They are illiterate. Once they raise their voice, they'll face lathi charge and so several other places. The other problem, once the government not came forward to save them, they walk on the road itself, and there are so many accidents already happened in the Uttar Pradesh, the train accident, the people were dying on the road, but no one is going to care. The migrant worker having the truck accident, you can see that there are so many accident happen, and no one is going to care for them. So this is what even the Shramik special train were running. Shramik train, special train were running, and what I said around 80 not 40 Shramik train lost their this way, and you can see that even few of the government has cancelled their special train. There are people those who are already thought that they are having 12-hour journey, but 12 like our journey became more than 7 to 8 days, and they are not having water, they are not having any sanitation. After the accident, even the people have to travel with their dead bodies. So the people, we can say that 10 hour, even some train were late more than 6 to 7 days, and the people were dying without water. So you can see that the image was circulated by the one like news channel. The small children, the 2 days, for the 2 day journey it cover more than 9 days. And so that's why, just because of hunger, there are more than people already in one day 7 people dies. So if these types of problems were faced, there are so many protests is happening in the quarantine center because they are not having water, they are not having sanitation, there is no proper food, there is no hygienic, and they are also faced. And the problem itself, once the tribe already the migrant labor they reach the villages, and the villages protested against them. They are not allowed to enter inside the villages because they are having threat. The all villages become the positive. So not only they face in their own city even while the transportation, but once they reach villages, they also face the problem. So this you can see that the quarantine center already, even the people from the upper caste, sometimes they have denied they will not going to eat from the other people. And the people, you can see that the food were already served on the newspaper. So this is already in the one quarantine center, the father already guarded because there was no people, no guard, no one was there. So that's why his father guarded the whole hospital. So in the Hazaribagh, the quarantine center, after asking for food, the BDO has shut down the quarantine and sent them back to the home. So there are so many problems comes after the lockdown. So in the conclusion, what I'm going to say, they have received sufficient fund in the PM care fund, but hardly the PM care funds were used for these people. And the one hand, the government were completely shut down the entire already nation, but once the cases were few, they shut down, and once the cases started increasing, they opened everything. You can see that those person were selling the vegetable, they were faced the lathi charge by the police, but the other side at the same time those who were queue in the for purchasing the liquor, they were not charged. So there are so many incidents in when happen in which even the doctors were faced the problem, they were protested. The police like very in a different way they have beaten the migrant workers like an animal. So in the next you can see that these are the problems already. The people, even hardly people think to walk 10 to 20 kilometers, but the migrant workers have walked more than 1200 and 1400 kilometers to reach their home. So after that, because Supreme Court has not responded immediately, other side, the coronavirus update already, everything after the once the cases were increased, the flight were resumed, the train were resumed, and everything were resumed, and the cases were still increasing. Now the India is already, the second largest cases after the US and the like Brazil. The third highest cases is India, and the largest number of death is happening in India, but nobody will going to care. So you can see that even the people already, the home minister is affected with the COVID positive, the Karnataka CM is affected with the COVID positive, even the governor of Tamil Nadu is having the COVID positive, the Madhya Pradesh Shivraj Chauhan is having positive, the Amitabh Bachchan family is having positive. So just think about the other labor. Those people were having the safety, all the safety measures, they have made a safety distance and keep themselves in the lockdown entirely in the home, but they affected. Just imagine about the other people, those who are already on the road. And this is already laid the one of the largest unemployment rate. So unemployment rate is one of the highest in the last 45 years. It's 6.1%. Since the independence, it is the one of the highest unemployment rate. So what we will going to see that you can see that the most of the people around, they are working in the informal sector. They are totally dependent on the government. They are paying taxes, they are doing anything. Even the PM has received enough fund. So government have to do all such activity so that people will going to save Even in the Jan Dhan Yojana and the construction labor, it's like they are providing some fund, but the problem is there 85% of the construction worker labor are not having ration card, and the other 15, those who are having ration card, they are not having Aadhaar card, and they are not having banking account. The people, hardly 15% has people have received the Jan Dhan amount, and the rest are still they are dying just because of hunger. And the already this lockdown crisis and the migrant worker crisis is still going on, and nobody is going to care. Our Indian media is highlighting the Rafale, highlighting the Amitabh Bachchan cases they are highlighting, but they are not highlighting the cases in which the migrant workers are facing starvation and death. So thank you so much dear. This is all migrant worker crisis. If you want to discuss me any other issue, please comment in the comment box, or you can first subscribe my channel, then comment, so I will going to upload any video based on your request. Thank you so much dear.